Kuo later said in a MacRumours report on Monday, January 22, that keeping the iPhone X for a reduced price would eat into sales of the new mid-range 6.1-inch iPhone with Face ID and an LCD display that's expected to be released. The phone is expected to retail for between $650 and $750 in the United States. An excerpt of Kuo's research note obtained by the tech site that lowering the price of the iPhone X would be a negative brand value given 3D sensing and OLED display are features of Apple's most expensive smartphone to date. Additionally, he said that selling the iPhone X at a lower price may have a negative impact on shipments of the new 6.1-inch LCD iPhone in the works. If all this is true, Kuo expects a trio of new iPhone models to be released this year, a second-generation 5.8-inch iPhone X, to remain at $999, a larger 6.5-inch version called iPhone X Plus, and the mid-range 6.1-inch iPhone. If you're thinking of getting your hands on the iPhone X, time to put your plan into action may be running out, that is, if the rumors are true. In a report obtained by AppleInsider last Friday, January 19, revered Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo of KGI Securities, who has a track record of being on the money when it comes to revealing Apple's plans, predicted that the company will discontinue the iPhone X once it releases its 2018 iPhone lineup this fall. It said that the iPhone X did not make an impact in the China market in line with predictions because consumers were put off by the notch holding the sensors, which have made them believe that the iPhone 8 Plus has more usable space.